Hi, I'm Sherry Duvall, CEO at Metagram and chair of the Trustworthy Technology and Innovation Consortium and AI Med Advisory Board member. At Metagram, we focus on turning AI trust standards into live controls and KPIs that hospitals can audit, clinicians can use, and CFOs can bank, while TTIC is the standards and convening consortium. Metagram is the hospital's runtime that makes those standards real. I'm honored to architect and moderate the high reliability AI module at AI Med 2025. This is a 2-hour deep dive for those who are steering through the post One Big Beautiful Bill Act era, an era where every system must prove trust, not just claim it. We built the high reliability AI module, a 2-hour program at AI Med to show leaders and investors what a trust infrastructure for AI looks like in action. So, what's the problem? Hospitals and investors face the same risk, uncertainty in AI governance. A typical health system can expect to see 10 to 50 million in OBA related audit exposure over the next 5 years. Without verifiable trust architecture, AI becomes a liability for boards, for clinicians, and for investors. So, what's the solution? Our framework integrates three pillars of assurance. Number one, IEEE UL 2933, the ANSI accredited standard for data trust underpinning clinical AI and IoT trusted by top CISOs, CFOs, and bond rating agencies. Number two, the NIST Cybersecurity Framework 2.0, the national model for cyber resilience, also trusted by top boards. And number three, the OWASP GenAI Security Project, which defines the controls that secure large language models and AI agents. Together, they form what we call the 6P operating system for AI in healthcare, which includes platform, programs, process, purpose, policy, and people. This is a control architecture that links ethics, security, and finance into one verifiable loop. What this creates for hospitals, it means a runtime trust that protects clinicians and balance sheets. For investors, it's a de-risked infrastructure play, the grid on which future AI applications will run. This is how trust becomes a new asset class, auditable, standardized, and built to compound value over time. So, in closing, if you lead a health system or steward long-term capital, you belong at AI Med 2025. See how trust infrastructure turns AI risk into resilience and value that endures. Because in healthcare AI, reliability is not just clinical, it's financial. So I'm truly honored to be a finalist for this year's AI Champion Award. Join us to celebrate industry leaders at the Manchester Hyatt in San Diego on November 11th at 6:30 and use TTIC 25 for 25% off. See you there.